This is a beginner's guide video for anyone who wants to start using Crunchyroll. So first, let me show you how to create a Crunchyroll account. Just want to search for Crunchyroll, sign up. Once you search for this, you can click on registration. It'll take you to its official page. Over here, what you can do is enter an email, enter a password, click on create account, and your Crunchyroll account will be created. But if you already have an account, you can click on login and log in into your existing Crunchyroll account. And I'm going to do that. You guys also log in into your account from here now. Now, once you log in into your Crunchyroll account, if you want to add a profile picture on Crunchyroll, click on the Crunchyroll logo at the top and then click on this pen icon. Once you do that, you can see the pen icon over here. Click on it. From here, you can change it to anything you want. Once you do that, click on save. Your Crunchyroll profile picture will be changed. And if you want to sign up into Crunchyroll Premium, it's also pretty simple. You just want to go to your Crunchyroll and click on Try Premium over here. It'll take you to the premium trying page and you will get a 7-day free trial. But after that, you need to pay for Crunchyroll Premium. But that's how you guys can get Crunchyroll Premium. Just choose the plan which you want and just start using. And if you guys are getting the try again error in Crunchyroll, then there's two ways. The first could be your slow internet, so try to change your internet. The next thing you can do is just close Crunchyroll and reopen it again or just reload Crunchyroll. Sometimes an error causes this. The next thing could be that Crunchyroll servers are down. If Crunchyroll server is down, you just need to wait until they're up again. And to check if they are down or not, you just need to go to Twitter to search for Crunchyroll, or you can just go to your browser and search is Crunchyroll down, and you will get the answer if it is down or not. And to cancel your Crunchyroll membership as well, what you need to do is click on your profile picture and click on over here where it says settings. Inside setting, you will see membership info. Click on it. And over here, since I don't have my membership, I can't cancel it. But if you have a membership, it's going to show you over here. And from inside there, you can cancel your membership as well. And if you want to redeem your Crunchyroll gift card, it's pretty simple. Click on the profile picture, click on gift card. From here, enter your gift code, click on continue, and your gift card will be redeemed. And if you want to log out of Crunchyroll, it's pretty simple. Click on this profile picture again. Just click on log out and you will be logged out of Crunchyroll. And if you guys want to enable your closed caption on Crunchyroll, go inside settings and inside preferences, just make sure this is on and it's going to show you your subtitle. And if you want to change your Crunchyroll into any other language, let's say you want to watch dubbed anime like in English, make sure the audio language is set on English, okay? If this is set on English, the anime will be recommended to you in English language. If this is set on any other language like Japanese, it's going to be recommended on Japanese language. So if you want to watch anime in English language, make sure you choose this. And if you want to watch sub anime, this is it. And if you want closed caption, turn this on. And if you want to change the language as well, you just have to be in the preference tab and make sure to choose whichever language you want from this setting. After you're okay with the language you want, you're good to go. These are the things you need to know if you want to start using Crunchyroll. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment. See you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.